Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the VCRUNTIME140.dll missing error on Windows 10 or 11. First, we need to download the VCRUNTIME140.dll file. You can find it by visiting the dll-files.com website. There will be two versions available for download, one for 32-bit and one for 64-bit systems. Make sure to download both versions. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and extract both files. You can use any unzipping tool or simply use the built-in Extract All option in Windows. After extracting the files, copy the VCRUNTIME140.dll file from this folder. Now, open File Explorer and go to your C drive. From there, navigate to the Windows folder and then to System32. Paste the 64-bit DLL file into this folder. Next, go back to your Downloads folder and copy the 32-bit DLL file. This time, navigate to the SysWow64 folder, which is also located in the Windows folder. Paste the 32-bit file here. After you've pasted both files, restart your computer to apply the changes. Once your PC restarts, try launching the game or software again. It should now be able to find the missing VCRUNTIME140.dll file and the error should be resolved. That's it. You should now be able to run your program without any issues. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.